Why your affirmations fail. Hello, this is one shot to the future. You repeat, I am rich 100 times a day, but you are still broke. Why? Because you are shouting at a locked door. Your brain is currently in beta state, high alert, stress, logic. In this state, the critical factor, the firewall, creates a barrier. It rejects any idea that doesn't match your current reality. I am rich, rejected. Error. You have $10 in your account. To change the code, you must lower the firewall. You must enter the alpha state, the admin mode of your brain. Alpha state is a brainwave frequency of 8 to 12 hertz. It happens when you are relaxed, daydreaming, or just about to fall asleep. In this state, the logical guard falls asleep, and the door to the subconscious opens wide. This is admin mode. If you visualize your success in alpha, your brain doesn't argue. It accepts it as truth. This is why 5 minutes of visualization before sleep is more powerful than 10 hours of hard work. You are planting the seed directly into the fertile soil, not on the concrete. Don't see a photo, watch a movie. Most people visualize wrong. They see a static picture like a Polaroid. Me standing next to a Ferrari. That's boring. Your brain falls asleep. You need mental rehearsal. Don't just see the car. Feel the cold leather on your skin. Smell the new car scent. Hear the engine roar. Make it a 4D movie. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a vivid imagination and reality. If you do this correctly, your palms should sweat. Your heart should race. If your body doesn't react, you are just daydreaming. The lemon test. Don't believe me? Close your eyes right now. Imagine biting into a sour, yellow lemon. Feel the juice squirting onto your tongue. Did you salivate? Yes. See? A thought created a physical reaction. Now imagine what happens when you visualize wealth with that same intensity every night. Your reality has to change to match the signal. Tonight, before you sleep, don't worry about tomorrow. Enter the alpha state and play your movie. In the next video, we will discuss the concept of outer intention's little brother, the slide technique. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.